Welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain your favorite Igbo language teacher. In today's lesson, I will teach you common mistakes to avoid while writing Igbo language. Common Igbo writing mistakes to avoid. Class, I will teach you the difference between these three sentences. You could see that Abo mo onyinyefchibueze means I am Igbo. But looking at the spacing between Abu and which is am and I, you could see the space in between the both. They are not written together. Then the second one, you could see how it is merged. This is the wrong way of writing it. The same thing with the third one. The A here is not an impersonal pronoun, so you shouldn't write it separately. It goes with the bo. The word ashorom means I want. Achorom means want. So when you are writing it, this is the best way to write it. Do not write achoro with the pronoun So this first one that I ticked is the correct way of writing ashorom iwinri. Do not separate the R from the choro because it is one word which means want, not an impersonal pronoun. The A is not an impersonal pronoun. Same goes with the third one. The ashorom here is wrong because you cannot add want with I. They have to stand separately. Take a look at these three sentences. What do you observe? The first sentence, Flavor na-agụ egwu. Flavor is singing. The focus here is na-agụ. There are different ways na manifests in Igbo language. This na here is functioning as auxiliary verb. Later I will do a comprehensive video on this. But while you are writing this kind of sentence, understand that the na has to join with the main verb by the use of hyphen in between. The second and the third sentence is not correct, because in the second sentence, na here is functioning as that which is not supposed to be. While in the third sentence, the na with apostrophe is functioning as preposition. So the number one is the best way to write this sentence. Sentence is similar to number 3 sentence I just explained. Understand when na is functioning as a preposition, a conjunction, or as an auxiliary verb. So in this sentence, it is functioning as a preposition. Number 1 is the correct way of writing this sentence. The number 2 is not correct. The N with A, which is the na, shouldn't be written separate. There is need for the apostrophe. Then the third one, you don't need to put hyphen in between because it is not a helping verb here. Following Igbo grammatical rule, M and N does not coexist. These two sounds do not stay together when writing a word according to Igbo grammar. So when we want to write the word Chidimma or Chimdimma, Chimdimma is in the sentential form of the name, but Chidimma is just the name without it being in a sentence form. So Chimdimma or Chidimma, whichever one. If you want to write Mma in Igbo, M-M-A is the right spelling. M-M-A. There is nothing as M-N-A or N-M-A. So the two examples, the number 2 and number 3, is wrong. So if your name is Chidimma and you've been writing M before the N or N before the M, please start correcting your name. Okay, that's not the best way to write it. According to Igbo grammar, the number 1 is the correct way. M goes together with M. N goes together with N. M and N does not go together. Omaricha nwa. Omaricha is a common Igbo word. So it is nice for you to know how to write it, okay? Don't write Omalicha. That is the second example, based on Igbo vowel rule. The two does not go together. Thanks for watching. Daalụ maka ikiri. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.